So welcome friends. This is part 3 of PowerPoint presentation, how to create a PowerPoint presentation. And we have already discussed in the part 1 and part 2, but now part 3. And here is our, yes, second slide. This is third or fourth slide. Now we'll see, yes, adjustment alignment, text adjustment, and also, yes, this is the text adjustment. As I have said earlier that I will do it later. So this is the text adjustment from both corners and also text alignment. So I will do text adjustment, and I have changed color. Now I have changed its color and maybe size. Now adjusting it. Yes, this is that text adjustment. Justification, justify. So you can justify like this. Yes, these are transitions, slide transitions. Yes, now, yes, picture, background styles. Now using format, we can decorate our picture so that it will become more visible and catchy, attractive. So this is like this. And how? Yes, using picture shape, we can see more options, but for here, this one is sufficient. Yes, so this is like this. Now we can create line shapes, triangular shapes. These are shapes from the insert tab. We can see various shapes are there. We can use it in our slides. Otherwise, for simply, I can draw a line, underline a sentence, word, etc. So I have underlined begonia. Then using shape effects, shape outline is also there. Shape effect, shadow effect, reflection effect, glow effect, soft edges, then rotation. So these are 3D rotation, various effects are there. We can use these for our slides. Yes, now begonia have been shadowed. Begonia, yes. So I have used shadow, glow, but I am using it simply. A simple line. Yes, this is 3D rotation. We can see how a line rotates using various 3D patterns. So this is background style. I'm choosing background style for this. This one will suit. Apply to selected slide. Use apply to selected slide so that it will not apply to all slides. Yes. Now these are the slides, anemone. Yes, I have justified this also. Beautiful. These are beautiful flowers. Now I have created all the slides, but last one is pending. Now I'm creating it using the text box, then writing thank you so much. So I have written thank you so much, then selecting, changing its size, its font style, color, etc. And we can do it easily. We know how can we do it. So this is like this. Then changing the font style, Calibri body, no, yes, this one stop. Now this is more visible. Yes, thank you so much. Changing its color. Yes, I have rotated it using the text box, green button, green type, but I can do it using 3D rotation also. 3D patterns are there, various types of 3D patterns, so I can use it. Yes, so thank you so much as changing like this, and this is the 3D rotation type. Yes, we can see that. Now shape effects. There are various shape effects. Other effects are also there, but we can use these also for the convenience. Then yes, this is custom animation effect, text customization, text animation customization. Yes, this is like this. Now I have changed its speed medium so that it is clear. I have also changed transition speed for all slides. Maybe for few it is fast. There's transition speed when it is fast, then it is not more clear. So I have changed it for all slides, almost for all slides. Then last slide, thank you, or the end. Thank you. Yes. Please don't mind, this is a screen recorder. Thank you. Yes. Now for 3D, using 3D rotation, we can change it. Yes, like this. Thank you. Now changing, yes, using custom animation, text, using text animation. Yes, it's like this. And changing transition speed also, changing custom speed. Yes, so these are slides. All slides have been created. So this is the first one. Now we can rehearse time. This is sound. From the insert tab, we can also add sound. Yes, automatic when click. So this is like this. When by clicking it, we can hear sound, but I'm not using it. Yes. So it will play like this. Yes. Now these are animation effects, design, slideshow, record narration, then rehearse timings. So I will rehearse timings for all these slides. For the first slide, second slide, third slide, I will rehearse time. So rehearse time, by clicking on rehearse timing, this will show like this, but because of, sorry for the inconvenience, the recorder is not recording the rehearse timing, but you can create like this. Then after rehearse timings, the slides are like this, they are displayed like this, and these are the rehearsal timings for each slide, and the total timing is written on. Yes. Then by pressing F5 key, or from beginning, by pressing beginning, we can see our PowerPoint presentation slides in a very beautiful manner. Or we can also play from current slide, then it will also show, so you can check it. you can make your own slides, PowerPoint presentation slides, then it will run beautifully. This is assignment for you. So from current slide it will also play. So that's all for you. So thank you guys, thank you so much. Thank you. So welcome friends, this is part 3 of PowerPoint presentation, how to create a PowerPoint presentation, and we have already discussed